Hello. I'm very glad to have Palos here. Okay, Palos. Would you like to share your screen and introduce your work here?
Yes, I'll do it. 1 second. Mm, so, not this one. So what I did, so first of all, I'm Pablo. So I work for Adyen. It's a fintech company in Netherlands, and we are evaluating to use Karmada in the new platform we're building with Kubernetes. And the evaluation has passed. It was successful. We agreed and we took a decision to use Karmada for Adyen for building a new payment platform on Kubernetes. Um, So as part of the evaluation, I learned a lot about Karmada. I'm working in an area called internal development platform. So I'm working with the developers. Our customers are developers and around deployments. And one thing I demo internally is the beauty of some basic primitives of Karmada around propagation policy and override policies. And to demo the capabilities of Karmada and make it more clear to people what does it bring to us, I decided to build a progressive rollout based on only those two primitives, the propagation override policies. And I demoed to them a canary release and rolling upgrade and also a precedent-based shift or progressive delivery that you can get from Agro rollouts by purely manipulate the YAML files and apply the YAML files to Karmada with no any other scripting, no other just tooling, pure capabilities of Karmada exposed by a demo of this. I make a, we discussed this during KubeConf. I make two PRs, one on the website, one on the code, because that was the suggestion. Um, so I make the PRs and basically the documentation PR that documents all this in terms of tutorial and in the PR for the website it's all information and initially people suggested to use um, the Karmada repo to store the actually configuration files and then there's a little helper script I wrote to navigate through this. But there was a comment last few days to actually move the configuration to the documentation repo. So the last comment, there was a lot of comments. To move, let me find it, yes, to move all these files to the website repo, and which means I will have to remove the bash script and the readme, which is associated with the YAML files. I propose a structure because I also planning to do another PR inspired by the. It was very funny. I did the graduate with Agro Loud and Karmada before the KubeConf. Then I saw the presentation of the guys using Agro Loud, so it was very interesting. They helped me a lot with Agro Loud integration. There were a few tricks I didn't know how I can integrate them. So internally, I documented. Internally, I demoed how I can use Agro Loud with Karmada. So when this first PR is approved and merged, I plan to work after my vacation to do a similar tutorial how someone can use Agro Louds to give Karmada. That's why I propose a subdirectory and the tutorial is called rollout. And for now, there will be first the progressive, the one that documenting this PR, and the follow-up PR will be adding Agro Loud under this directory structure. I see that, okay, everybody has said okay. So that means that uh, I will do the restructure of the documentation, the files. I don't think I can do today, and push a commit, and I'll move everything to the Karmada website repo. I know people are suggesting me to use 3 commits, one per tutorial. So I need to do another commit that touch all tutorials.
Okay.
I would like to avoid another squeeze and a rebase. So you're going to see a fourth commit with basically restructuring the URLs. That's it. So
Okay.
because there is some mess on the files here, and so this will be restructured. There will be no content. And then I have to test everything because I have to test the script as well again to be sure that's correct. That's it. Questions? No questions? Okay.
I would say it's a great job, I guess. Um, yeah, without any further uh, controllers, we can do three strategies throughout. That's very excellent. That's excellent. Thank you, Paras.
The only question I had, we discovered a little bug. Hang said is that if you use duplicate or divided, if you with agro louds, you cannot use duplicate scheduling for your pods. You have to use divided. It's not a big deal, but I think he found the bug. It doesn't affect that because we want to use divided type of scheduling for the pods, but there will be maybe other people are
Mm.
have the same issue. So maybe somewhere in the future it could be addressed. I haven't raised an issue for that. Yeah, I just want to mention that if you use Agro Louds with a duplicate type of rescheduling, you're going to have an issue.
Mhm.
That's it. Nothing from my side.
So okay. As you mentioned, you after you push
You're breaking up. I don't hear you. It's on.
another commit to move the hello. I just rejoined the meeting. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Hello. Okay.
Okay. I didn't quite hear what you said because of 30 minutes you're basically frozen on
Okay.
my
Yeah.
screen.
I mean, after you move the scripts readme to the website repo in that PR, I can approve it.
Okay.
No further comments from me.
Me
Okay.
too.
Yeah,
Yeah,
thanks. I just want to
it's
be clear. There will
perfect.
be a fourth commit,
Yeah.
and that's it. No more other commits. Okay. Cool.
Okay. Okay. Since we don't have any other topics, so let's see. Okay, I just see Mihash 大火. Hello guys.
Hey yo,
Hey.
how's everything?
Yeah. So
Sorry.
if we don't have any other topics, so I'm gonna call it a day.
Yeah, sounds good.
Mm.
Honkai, will you
Okay.
be at KubeCon North America this year?
Yeah, I'm trying to. I hope so. Yeah, I think it's time for us to plan the to schedule the KubeCon, right? The the deadline is July 12th, right? Right? I'm not sure now.
I think so, although I don't know if I have gotten any emails about like the maintainer submission.
Mm. Okay, how about that? Let's talk about in the maintainer Slack channel.
Yeah, sounds good.
Mm.
Cool. But
Okay.
yeah, hopefully we see you there.
Yeah. Yeah, it will be my first time being there.
Nice. We'll have to show you around.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
All
Okay.
right.
Wait. Okay, see
Bye.
you.
Bye.
See you. See you. See you. Thank you, Palos. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.